This is a real special moment. Yo, what is going on, my peoples? Thank you for tuning in to another video. We have some more progress with the TSX. I'm trying to make this video more about the TSX because previous ones have been with the Accord and whatnot. We've been kind of bouncing back and forth. I just want to say, first of all, thank you so much to Lauro, man. He is the homie, supporting for mad years, and just always being such a genuine dude, good father and whatnot. He just sent your boy a gift, as always. You know, periodically in some videos I'm like, yo, shout out to Lauro because he sent me this. The last gift he sent was this 10mm socket set. This cool little, you know, aesthetic gift. Set it right there. Send him some gifts and whatnot, especially around Christmas time. You know, I got his kiddo some things, but I gotta think of something real good for him as well. He's been hooking it up and just like, I don't even ask for nothing. This dude's like, hey man, package is gonna be here, you know, so and so. I'm like, what the fuck? Yeah. Man, this thing's heavy. That should just re-hurt my back. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what he got me. Make sure you guys stay tuned because I'm not gonna say it yet. You're gonna have to see. Alright, so. Oh shit, I forgot I gotta go get my lunch. I'll see y'all real quick. And we're back with my lunch. Steak and brock and sushi and fried rice. And then we got some salads and I got myself some sushi as well. So let us take a break and eat and get some energy. Then we'll get to a lot more talking and unboxing. Alright? Alright. Peace. Oh boy. Now that your boy is fed, man, I got the itis. Like, OD. Oh. This heavy little box. Leave down in the comments what do you guys think this may be. I don't know. It's like I do. You guys don't yet. You got this little gasket kind of set right here. Look at that deal. What is it? What is it?
That's the first time you hold one for yourself.
Yeah. This is a different moment, man. It's a surreal moment. Crazy moment, man. For real, Laura. This is a real special moment. Alright, now let's really see it. Oh man, we got a little turbski, man. As you guys can see, we got ourselves our turbo. Really thanks to Lauro. Big shout out to you, homie. I was planning on buying basically the same turbo, just a CX Racing one, but this is a Max Speeding Rods GT35. I was gonna get the CX Racing GT35, which I will say I think they're pretty much all the same, like the GT35 variants and stuff like that. Garrett turbo variants, because their patent ran out of their design and people started, you know, making the knockoffs. They just don't have a brand name on it. Same design, not Garrett. So it is a T3 turbo. I'm gonna pull up the specs in a moment. We're just gonna go over this real quick, just pop things off and just really look at it. Start off with taking off these gaskets, these protecting covers. Got a turbo. I'm new to this, guys, but I know shaft play obviously isn't always the most ideal thing, but I don't know how much maybe normal, especially maybe for like little cheaper turbos. I've had a couple other homies and TSX people who have this turbo. They have really good luck with it. They enjoy it. For the price, you can't go wrong. A big thing with this build that I'm doing is a put together piece by piece turbo kit. I'm trying to be kind of like a little bit on a budget because, you know, we rich, but we not fully rich. Trying to figure things out here in Florida, make moves and still make this content, make shit happen. We some regular people doing some regular shit and then just recording and having fun. Really, it's all about. I feel like starting with a budget turbo, like you're not gonna go too crazy, like start off with 800 horsepower or something like that. I wanna start small with, you know, like 350, 400, get used to it. But I'm gonna get a nice wastegate. Blow-off valve, maybe like an HKS. I'm still deciding, but that's maybe the one I'm gonna go with. Save your graces for the whole entire engine, the build, everything. Like I'm not cheaping out on like turbo. That fails, it's just gonna smoke or whatever, then I have to replace it because of seals or turbines and shit like that. Like it's fine. My girl will be putting the screenshots up on the screen of like the spec sheets of this turbo. Thank you so much, Lauro. Another pretty heavy box. And those staples weren't even stapled, bruh. here we are. Damn, that is a thick ass flange. Sheesh. That hoe ain't cracking. So here we have the PLM Sidewinder Turbo Manifold. We are going to be going with the 44mm wastegate. I believe I'll be going with the tile, not cheaping out. It's either going to be like tile precision, but I believe it's going to be the tile one. This weld right here is definitely a little shabby right here. I'm going to do some inspecting, as you can see, and do some other things. Alright?
A few inches later.
So, I am back from work, but it is Saturday, so I didn't record last night. Honestly, I feel like I over-caffeinated myself and I started feeling a little crazy. Where I left off at, I was showing you guys, we got this beautiful stuff right here. Got that things right there. Then we got the turbo in there. What else we got? I still have some things on its way. They're out for delivery. And I have to purchase a bunch of parts. As I go, I keep writing the list. Like, I'll show you guys real quick. Like, you know, there's a bunch of stuff that I need. Things that I already purchased. You know. And we have the Cometic head gasket right here, 87.5mm, 340 LPH at 40 PSI, part number 50-1200. Super exciting parts are coming. Big shout out to Lauro again. I'm gonna get to trying to wash this head out and then scrub it and all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, catch you all soon. Alrighty, what's going on, y'all? Y'all see baby Sky right here. Baby Sky. Sky the babies. I got the pressure washer out here. I'm about to take out the head right now and then scrub this down. Try to wire wheel like the outside areas a little bit just to scuff it up. Get, you know, a lot of this paint off hopefully. I really want to get that off. Yeah, the rinse off is done. And now let's get to the next steps. So a lot of like the rusting and staining is kind of coming out with just me rubbing with the brush and some totally awesome right here. You know, not sponsored. So guys, I bought this like brush kit thing, Harbor Freight, as you can see. Coming out pretty good, y'all.
Marrow for sure.
What is going on, my beautiful people? So some updates. I've kind of been bad about this, like picking up the camera and giving a little bit of updates in between, but it also got kind of dark pretty quick last night. Over here watching Hoon Garage. They're actually local. This is somewhere in St. Pete's at the moment. Cleaning the head still. Where we kind of left off. I'm gonna go over this stuff again and clean it up a little bit more. I also have to try to get this dang paint off. It's been quite the challenge and still get like these runners and whatnot. Parts are coming in right now. It's always a good feeling, man. Alright, first things first. Yeah, this line's already gonna be a dud. This is what a lot of reviews said on Amazon, but this is a cheaper catch can that I bought, oil catch can from Amazon, which should be fine, more than fine. Some basic shit right here. Don't really need anything more, so. Two rolls of exhaust header manifold heat wrap fiberglass things. With this, we're gonna have to like get a bucket of water, soak it and whatnot, and ravel it up, wear gloves. So here we have our 8-piece universal set intercooler piping, 2.5 inch. As you guys can tell, we got this cleaned up pretty well. Just want to go over it more, then coat it better so it doesn't get the surface rust off. So we got the valve cover right here. I'm also cleaning, spraying with totally awesome shit, awesome stuff. Valve cover and the timing cover. This is one with those bristle brushes. Just taped it up, try to have a better surface and whatnot, and get rid of that crap. Cut off the metal at the tip right here so it's not like scraping and all that. So about right there. That's how we're gonna do it. You want a little excess, because if you want to like push it in or whatnot in some crevices, you want to have a little extra up in there. So maybe I should have not cut as much, but it's alright. Wrap it, see how much it's gonna do. Cover it on glue. Now, this is on its own thing, so it's gonna spin. This was on an adapter end where you put this thing in and then it spins, but once it touches, that doesn't spin. Now that should work. We're still here trying to clean this thing up right quick, like, you know. It's going pretty good. I'm just having a hard time with like the gadgets and whatnot, but little by little it's cleaning it up. Don't want to bore you too much with this cleaning stuff anymore.
70 years later.
Alright, y'all, so as you can tell, we're outside. We kind of have a little setup right here. I'm trying to finish cleaning the damn head already. I'm actually trying to see what things do, the differences, and learn, but also get it done. But I'm not rushing. There's not too much left to go, and it doesn't have to be 100% perfect, but I want it to be damn near. Hopefully that like doesn't completely unravel. Try to set focus and get things done, like set tasks and done, instead of jumping around, doing this, doing that. Like, finish cleaning this head. Like, I had to start and stop it so many times. I'm trying different methods and it is being kind of a pain. Like, a lot of the carbon buildup in the cylinders are taking forever to get out. When it started with, it's cleaned up pretty damn well. You know, same with my piston tops right here. These things are being a fucking pain. The carbon buildup, like in here and whatnot, it's tough. And I'm not trying to overdo it or something and potentially damage something or whatever. It's my first time going around things, so I'm just taking it easy and trying to learn. Don't you love Amazon when it's like same day deliveries and stuff? Boom. Nice little tripod right here.
Damn.
Bruh. For 20 bucks, carry on to unboxing. The box we didn't unbox. The box of boxes, the hybrid box. What we got in here? Guesses. 1, 2, 3. Poop. Psych. 1, 2, 3. Pussy pocket. Pocket pussy. What we got? Another box. Woo! Hybrid racing box. I'm so excited to add this onto my build. I already opened this because I did my whole phone video kind of thing. Woo, woo, woo. Here we are. Nice hybrid racing fuel rail. I had to snag it last minute. 20 minutes left of the sale, the Black Friday deal sale. And I got it for quite a bit cheaper than it usually is, so I just had to buy it. I need it, and hybrid racing can't go wrong. It looks good. Looks good. We also got, obviously, like some decal, little stickies they always send. Reservoir catcher sleeve for brake fluids and power steering fluid and whatnot. So yeah, that was unboxing of that. Then I'll show you guys another package that came in. So we're just keep getting, you know, packages here and there like every day. So it's kind of nice seeing everything pile up now. What do you think it could be? 1, 2, 3. Turbo blanket. Got this from off Amazon. Just like, you know, my heat wrap thing for the headers and all that. 23 bucks, 25 bucks or something. So not too expensive, not too shabby. Things are rolling in. Super exciting stuff. We're getting more and more parts coming in. Shout out to Hybrid. I also use a 5% off code. Real quick, I'm gonna go over what parts I have for sale. hit me up on IG. Custom 3-inch single exit exhaust, got its minor flaws. It needs to be picked up in Florida. You can't ship this shit as all one piece. I have a K20 Z3 gear set sitting right here. It comes with a brand new second gear. Down here we have my 08 cams, which I don't think I want to sell because those are pretty useful. You know, the best of the best drop-in OEM cams. Right here I have a fresh K24A2 crank. It was micro polished. My girlfriend bought it off eBay for $360 and never got to using it. So I'm trying to sell it for like $275, you know, $250. So let me know, guys. Hit me up on IG. I also have a bunch of other things for sale, like spare block that's in that box over here. Spare block and girdle in here. Bunch of other interior pieces, odds and ends. So let me know, hit me up on IG. It'll help me out. You guys have basically helped me fund this build more. Keep buying turbo parts and whatnot. So hit me up.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.